Welcome course takers to Site Reliability Engineering on AWS, Amazon Web Services. My name is Malcolm Moore. I'm currently a cloud application architect at Amazon, working in the telco space. I've had a lot of experience building, running applications. So I ran a startup, Lattice Security, as a CTO. I've worked in Capgemini leading the cloud advisory practice, and also as cloud architect for telecoms company like Colt Telecom and various customers with Rackspace. In this video, we'll focus on providing a quick overview of the course. So if you're ready, let's get started. So this course is designed for DevOps, site reliability engineers, or software developers who really want to know how you build, design, deploy reliable applications on Amazon Web Services. Mainly because you don't want to spend weekends or evenings trying to fix these problems. We're going to cover a couple of key points. So what are the core principles of site reliability engineering? And we'll leverage a lot of the work done by Google for this. Then we'll look at how you design applications for fault tolerance and resilience and reliability on Amazon. And we'll take a simple microservice, move that from an on-premise deployment into Amazon using a move and improve model. We'll then identify the key failures using failure mode analysis, prioritize those issues, and redesign our application, mapping those onto native AWS services like EKS, RDS Aurora, and AppMesh. And finally, we'll deploy all of that. And we'll just kind of iterate over that for a couple of times. So what you're going to end up with is an application that's a lot more reliable and resilient running on Amazon than it ever was on your on-premise deployment. So the course is structured into 7 sections. The first 2 are really just around understanding site reliability engineering and the basic tenets for reliability on Amazon. Then we'll begin to drive into what looks like a good design for Amazon, a 3-tier, multi-tier application. But we'll begin to understand why that's not so good for microservices and distributed systems. Sections 4 and 5 are really a bit more hands-on. They'll show us actually building and deploying Python simple application, PySimple, into Amazon, and then starting to break it apart into individual microservices to give us a much more reliable platform, and also how we begin to use things like code pipeline to deploy our application from a code change. Section 6, we'll begin to look at some additional technology that we might use to get more reliable services and a better development environment. So Kubernetes, EKS, Amazon Aurora, and AppMesh. In section 7, we kind of consider the applications that glue it all together with Amazon Route 53 and CloudFront. But we also look at the operational challenges and the operational complexity that we started to build and what we need to think about from an operational point of view, because it's not just about technology. And at the end of that, you've reached a goal. You should have a much better understanding of site reliability engineering, how to build a reliable application on Amazon, and the things you need to consider in your operational environment to make sure that you continue to evolve your platform and increase your reliability. There's a couple of extra bits of learning, so the Google SRE books, and then there's a couple of videos here on Amazon DevOps approach and the difference and similarities between DevOps and site reliability engineering. So if that's all interesting, let's get started.